Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two video editing platforms, which is Descript and CapCut. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Descript and CapCut both makes video editing easier, but they focus on different needs. Descript shines for creators who prioritize editing through text, podcast production, and automatic transcription. It's great for professionals who want to polish their content with minimal effort. CapCut, meanwhile, offers a more visual and editing experience with strong AI effect template and mobile-friendly tools that appeals to short-form creator and social media user. Descript's biggest strengths are its simplicity, collaboration tools, and the seamless audio cleanup, but it can feel limited for heavy visual editing. CapCut, on the other hand, is powerful and free, but can lack precision tools for professional audio and long-term form project. So in conclusion, Descript suits creators who edit by voice or text, while CapCut is ideal for those who want flashy video fast. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.